my name is Melia. I'm a medical sales rep. I am constantly on the go. I just finished at the doctor's office, going to the other one right now.
Melia is always on the road, running from one appointment to another.
I've got a really busy day. I've got a million things to do. Okay, let me call you back and let you know if it's possible. Okay, great, bye.
And another.
Yeah, that'll have to do after the gym.
Finding time to squeeze in a workout between meetings is important. Keeping her ride in good shape is priority too.
I really rely on my car. It's really important for my car to be in tip-top shape.
So when it comes to taking care of her car, she doesn't mind going the extra mile.
Oh, I can't believe this. Oh, I think I need an oil change. I don't have time for this right now. I'm sure I can find somewhere quick. No, I'm not just gonna go anywhere. I know exactly where to go. Today, as I was driving, my maintenance light came on and I realized I needed an oil change. So I went to bgfindershop.com, found my closest shop quickly.
She knows that not all oil changes are equal, so she finds a shop nearby that uses BG products.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome. My name's Ray.
Melia.
Nice to meet you, Melia.
Nice to meet you.
So what brings you in today?
My maintenance light went on and I had to get an oil change.
Okay, let's get you taken care of today. Let's just start by getting your information. So Melia, all I'm gonna ask you to do now is just go take a seat in the lounge and I'm gonna pull your car around for you.
Okay, perfect.
Hey Melia,
Hi.
thanks for being so patient.
Of course.
So I know you wanted just the basic oil change today, but since you came in at 36,000 miles, I wanted to talk to you about the BG Performance Oil Service.
Okay.
Melia came in today with 36,000 miles on her car. This means that she qualifies for up to $6,000 worth of coverage. This service includes the fuel system cleaner, the engine cleaner, as well as the oil conditioner. This service is also backed by our lifetime BG protection plan.
Ray's knowledge about the BG Performance Oil Service put her at ease, knowing her car was in great hands.
You want to go ahead with that?
Okay, yeah, let's do it. Sounds good.
Great.
The BG Performance Oil Service offers peace of mind, and since my car is my biggest investment, I have to take care of her.
An oil change that offers a lifetime of peace of mind is a change worth making.
My car looks and runs great, and I want to continue to drive it for many years to come. The site was super easy to navigate, and there's always a shop nearby.
Now that Melia's car is ready to go, she's back on the road without missing a beat.
I rely on my car, and my car relies on BG.